Hey guys, it's Raptor Week and I wanted to share with you a detail on this truck that's not really Raptor specific. It's more just the new F-150's in general. There's a couple little features that I really like and I find super handy, and it has to do with the lighting, hence why it is so dark. I'm shooting this with a different camera, so I'm not exactly sure how the video quality will turn out, but we're just going to go with it. But one of the things I really like, here you can see him at the back of the truck, drop the tailgate, is I really like these cargo lights in the bed, LED lights built in. I think that's a really neat feature. You just have a switch right here where you can turn it off and on, and they sort of fade out and come back in. I think that's a really neat feature, especially at night, loading something into the bed of the truck. You can actually see what's going on. And we have these really nice tie downs that you can come in and out and lock. Those are nice too. All features just on the newer F-150s. Also the spray and bed liner, I really like that too. But the other one, this I know you can also get it on the 2015 and newer F-150s. Open the door here, and then we have these buttons on the dash, and they turn on our side mirror LED lights. You can see that thing is super bright, and it lights up the road on either side pretty well. Like I said, I'm shooting this with a different camera and it doesn't really show that off all that great, but it's throwing off quite a bit of light. And I thought that is a pretty neat little feature to have, especially on a truck like this when you'll be doing some off-roading. It throws out light exactly where you'd want it, straight off the side of the truck. So if you're on a trail or something, you can see the rocks, obstacles, trees, whatever may be down in your way. But I really like that. It's handy, it's easy to get to. Again, it's right here just above the main headlight switch. You can turn them on and off independently. So one of the things I don't like about that though is they shut off automatically at a certain speed. So once you're up to a certain speed, they'll just turn off. You may be able to override that just in the regular settings in the dash. I haven't played around with it enough to really tell you for sure. I am just about 100% sure that if you use the 4Scan mod, you could definitely turn them on and off at will at any speed you wanted. See, that makes a huge difference. Come around here. Let's see here. Oh. Yeah, I really like that. It's a neat setting. Very nice feature. But that's it for this video. Head over to svtperformance.com for the rest of the details on this truck that we've had the pleasure of driving around for a week, and we'll see you there.